Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a mythical future. It has arrived and it is becoming a core driver of competitiveness across many industries. Yet, many business leaders still struggle to separate the hype from the practical applications that create real value.
When people talk about AI in business, they often jump straight to the latest tools, but the real issue, especially in Southeast Asia, is that AI doesn't create value on its own. The challenge is identifying the right local problems and designing solutions that work within our region's diverse infrastructure, cultures, and business realities. I'm Pinnari Makon. I'm a lecturer and AI strategist at Sasin School of Management. My background is in electrical engineering and computational psychology from Stanford University, and I've worked with startups and corporates across Silicon Valley and Southeast Asia, where I help bridge cutting-edge AI with real business outcomes.
My name is Karl Schwenners. I'm a professor of finance at IMD. My colleague, Dr. Pinnari, and I will cut through the AI jargon and show you how AI works in business-relevant terms in order to help you to identify opportunities and risks for your organization.
In this course, you'll explore the current state-of-the-art and future possibilities of AI in Southeast Asia through real case studies, practical frameworks, and hands-on workshops. You'll learn to spot high-impact AI opportunities, design prompts for business intelligence, and simulate agentic AI solutions tailored to local consumer behavior and business needs.
The next wave of global economic growth will come from Asia, including Thailand. AI will play a critical role in shaping how industries in this region compete. If you are the business leader in this region, AI is not optional. It's essential to staying ahead in the fast-changing global economy.
This course goes beyond buzzwords. We'll focus on what AI can really do in Southeast Asia, where data is fragmented, digital maturity varies, and trust is a key factor. You'll develop an eye for opportunities where AI can thrive, not just in theory, but in local businesses from fintech to retail to SMEs.
Are you ready to turbocharge your organization with Sasin AI Turbo?